Hello everyone, welcome on FrogTech Tips. Today I just got a SSD hard drive. I will be upgrade the one very old PC. It's actually i5 750, I think. Yeah, it's really old, but it's also getting very slow. And I got a request, please make this PC a little bit faster, and I just said, okay, we can just plug in this SSD on it, replace it the old mechanical hard drive, which is there a couple of years and should be faster. Definitely should be the PC faster. Will be test it. I will be also show you how to do it, because we don't wanna reinstall the Windows. We won't just swap the hard drive. This means you need to plug in this hard drive first, switch on the Windows and install the clone software, and after that just clone the hard drive you have in the new SSD, and after that just swap it and make a bootable disk from this one, and that should be faster. I will be also show you how quick is loading with old hard drive and what's the performance go up, or how the performance go up after the new hard drive, and also the timing for the switching on the Windows. That's definitely will be different, I'm sure, and I also want to give you this proof and good idea for you. Maybe if you still got into some old hard drive, probably not on these days, but yeah, definitely it's a good idea. Swap the hard drive, mechanical hard drive, for the new SSD. Okay, let's go do it and show you what we have. Okay, we got this old PC. We need to open it. And like I said, we need to first plug in the hard drive first. What I will be do, because I just don't need a CD-ROM now, I will be unplug the CD drive and plug this on the cable. There you go. I plug in the SATA cable and power cable. Now just plug in PC and switch on. Okay, now the hard drive is plugged in, and I will be switch on the PC, and also I will put the counter straight away, and I will be switch on PC, counter, which now is 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, and just wait till is PC switching on, and we can count it the different later on once is the PC ready. Okay, as you can see, this is the old hard drive, old mechanical CJ, I think, or Western Digital hard drive, one of them, and it's taken already 30 seconds. Yeah, it's actually not a bad time still. Now it's 35 seconds. Okay, just wait. As you can see, still loading. Still is loading. Yeah. Already 1 minute, 4 seconds. Okay, nearly there. And still not loading completely. About this 1 minute, 15 seconds. It's still loading. You can still see the loading over here. It's still not all icon in. I still cannot click properly. As you can see, I try clicking Windows. Okay, now it started doing something, but still rotate. It's already 1 minute 45 seconds, and the Windows is still not fully load. Okay, now I can say I still not reaction and some buttons. That means I still don't count it as fully load. It's already 2 minutes 10 seconds, but yeah, now is Windows load. That means it's 2 minutes 20 seconds. I will be counted 2 minutes 20 seconds. I can show you here on maybe. Yeah, 2 minutes 20 seconds. Now I need to install the software. We can clone the hard drive and also check if it's the SSD visible on the Windows. You can see the PC is very slow. It's mainly because that hard drive. We don't see that SSD. Okay. It means I need to check it first. Why we don't see? But first at all, I will be going. Okay, in the right. Okay, it's fine. Clone HDD. No, this one. HDD to SSD clone. Yeah. Okay. We need this easy ways to clone without reinstalling. All you need is download this easy software from this website. There you are. It's here. It's free. Freeware. Now install the software. Choose the language you want it. English. Yes. Hopefully it's been yes. Also we're gonna check it. The SSD, why is not C? Maybe you just need a formatting. And the disk management. And we're gonna hopefully see that new hard drive. Okay. We can see that here. Formatting. Okay, here we go. And we see the hard drive now. Here we go. That's our SSD. We can already see that. We have formatting as well. Brilliant. Now it works. And hopefully now we can enjoy now this software backup software, and we're gonna clone the Which one is? No, clone. We need a clone. This clone hard drive to one. Select the source disk. We need the C and clone to D and next. Okay, start cloning and just wait till it's done. That should be take a couple of minutes, couple of hours maybe, depends of your bigger hard drive. I already prepared that C with the system with the only necessary software. That means it's got just only 50 gigs. There is just only really just some softwares and Windows, nothing else. That means 50 gigs should be quickly copying over. Okay, I'll be not recording this. I'll be just stop this video now and come back once it's done. Okay, the clone hard drive is done. As you can see, clone complete and successful. And we just need to click finish and that's it. Now I will be just double check. We got this hard drive clone to this new one. Looks okay. And now we just need a switch of the PC. Yeah. Unplug the hard drive, the SSD where we cloned the disk, plug in back the CD drive, and now unplug the Western Digital hard drive and plug in the solid state drive, which should be the correct one. Okay, now the clone hard drive is ready and we will switch on the PC, and also I unplug the old hard drive and just plug in the new hard drive in. Let's go. Okay, and now we will compare this hard drive with SSD, switching on. I'll look at that. It will just switch on this PC now and count how quick is actually loading the Windows with the new SSD hard drive. Last time it's been 1 minute 50 seconds with the old mechanical hard drive, and with this new one is now 17 seconds, 22 seconds, and is all done. Yeah, we got 30 seconds. Yeah, it's 30 seconds and it's all done. Brilliant. That's how much quicker is it. Okay, now it's all done and you can see the PC is much faster. Yeah, that's why I need to invest for some SSD hard drive. Hopefully you like this video. Don't forget click like and subscribe and stay on my channel for more video like this. Okay.